Alright boys and girls, just a short one. I've never done this before, so forgive the camera work and shit. I was on YouTube looking to see what way to shorten electrodes, and different ways of doing it. You hit them with bolt cutters and different things. One guy actually hit one with a grinder and it went all over the place. But I was talking to a welder. He was as old as the hills, and I think he actually welded the Titanic, and he showed me a great idea, a good tip to do these. And the reason why I want them shortened is because I find that they're far too long for me anyway. I'm not a welder. I don't claim to be any kind of welder. I'm just a hobbyist or whatever. If it needs stuck together or glued, well, I can certainly do that. But as for structural work or anything else, definitely not for me. But this guy showed me a way to do these, and I thought it was absolutely brilliant. It doesn't have to be, as I say, they're different lengths. It doesn't have to be spot on. You could, if you want to, make them spot on. But these rods are from WB Alloys. They're a 6013 rod. They're brilliant, and that's where you can get them. Right. I find that they're brilliant. As I say, these are far too long. But here's what this guy showed me, how to shorten these without putting the flux all over the place and chipping it all away. Hacksaw in your vise. Mark out the length you want it. Score a little run until you get to the metal, like so. Zoom in. Sorry for the camera work. About an inch past that, start cutting. Simple as that. And that is it. Simple as that. Do another one. Rod. Mark off where you want to cut it. Track it with a saw. And an inch back. Cut away. That gives you a good start from the next one. Grab your pair of pliers and just nip off the flux. Give it a couple of swirls, and that is it. Nice and neat, ready to rock, ready to rock. So the other side, the original side, ready to rock. And that will do any little joint or anything you have. To me, they're far too long for me. These guys, professional welders, will be able to throw maybe twice the length of that. Basically, that's it. That is it. Thanks for watching.